Catcher off of 423buyland.com. It's that time of the year. If you've been following our webpage, we've had a coming soon section on our webpage for the last 6 months. We have possibly the best RV lots in the county. I don't know of any other RV lots where you can legally and efficiently walk to the boat ramp and see the lake. Well, I got them. I've got 3 of them. Today I'm going to show you lot number 16. Lot 16 is an oversized lot. The average lot in this subdivision is around 3,900 square feet. This is a whopping 5,000, possibly 5,100 square feet. Lot 16 is one of our best lots. We've been saving the best for last all year. Well, today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna unwrap this package and I'm gonna show you lot 16. First of all, I'm standing on the street. As you look around me, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, look at this. That's the main road that goes to the entrance. You come to the entrance, you make a left. This cute little road called Brackenridge goes around the outside of the subdivision where there's a country highway. It borders that highway, and right across from the highway is the boat ramp. As we come down Brackenridge, we have this new lot development. This kind of gives you an idea of what people are doing. They're excited, they're moving RVs in here every day. And these lots are becoming harder and harder to get. I have no more, just what I have on our webpage. But check this out. He's got this lot done, and he's already laid the sand. He's done the clearing. He's got the center blocks. He's got the new culvert in. I don't think he's done with that. He's got to go over with another coat. As we come around the bend, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 beautifully cleared lots. Check that out. Now, they cleared the underbrush. They didn't clear any big trees, but I love that look. And right there, where that electric pole is the beginning of lot 16, which is really, really awesome. So I think that we're going to show you lot 16 right now. You're going to enjoy it. Behind me, this is lot number 15. We have our orange marker. You can see the stake right at the electric pole. When there's an electric pole, there is a cost savings. It costs around $1,800 for a full electric and transformer. You have the electric pole, so I would say half that, but you have to call Sam Houston Co-op. Okay, lot number 16, our oversized lot. These lots are longer, and an extra 1,200 square feet, 1,100 square feet, that's about 25% different. It makes a huge difference, especially if you have a large dog like we have. Now, this lot is beautiful, and from what I can see, just looking at this lot, I'm seeing a space to clear right through here, and if you veer that unit just to my left a little bit, I bet you can clear nothing but underbrush and get away with it. Now, these lots have big, beautiful trees. Not every day that I pull a lot right here by the boat ramp that you can get into, but this one you can. So let's go on to the lot. Let's go check this out. Okay, lot number 16 is right there. Rule of thumb, if I can't walk onto a property, it's a difficult property to clear. I can get onto this property. That's pretty exciting. All properties will require a dirt pad. That goes without saying anywhere in Texas. And a lot of people don't understand that. But as you can see, I'm walking right through here. And by the way, you see my sign is on that tree. I could take that down, that down, that down in about 20 minutes. I could probably miss that tree right through here, based on what I'm looking at. Easy clearing, leave everything to the right and left. You get away with murder with this lot. Phenomenal. Right now I'm walking through the belly, so I'd say midway of this property. It gets a lot thicker at the back. That's okay, because you have an extra 40 feet of land. You're not going to back your unit up more than 80 feet. And this person cleared their lot to give you an idea of what yours look like. Very beautiful. We have markers at the back of our lots. We have found the stakes. We just saved you nearly $1,000 in survey costs. As I come out the back of the lot, this is pretty cool. Right there, let me see if I can zoom it in. It says boat ramp. Okay, I'm walking from the lot number 16, beautiful lot, and I want to say about 200 feet from the boat ramp. Beautiful, really nice. There's the boat ramp sign right there. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, we're about at the boat ramp. As I pivot, the lot is just around that corner, and I want to say it's about 320 feet away. This is pretty neat. This is lot number 24. Lot number 16 is right around the corner. We sold this lot earlier this year, and the reason why I'm showing you this lot is these people are really happy with that lot. But right next to it, starting right about here, I also own lot 23. That's significant because,
hey brother, if you go in through that entrance,
I'm going to go ahead and walk down lot 24 real quickly. Gives you an idea how big these lots are. These are oversized. These are oversized. So I have lot 23 about directly across from that boat ramp. So depending on how close you want to be, my farthest lot is about 300 feet, which is nothing. I just walked to the boat ramp from there. And I'm coming back to the main road, cutting through. But the significance is this. People always ask me, Paul, can I walk to the boat ramp? I'm like, yeah, you can always walk to any boat ramp, but legally, without crossing people's property, no. No. So these are the last lots anywhere right across from a boat ramp where you can put RVs on a full-time basis, oversized, city sewage, bang for the buck, trash pickup twice a week, 25 bucks a month, and you get it all. All lots will have to be developed. Can't help that, but there's no time limit to be developed, so you can space that development out over probably a couple, 3 years. A lot of people do that. They put a few thousand every year and they get it done. The lots look fantastic. Anyway, Paul Kacheroff. I'm really excited because we are now getting ready to sell our boat ramp lots. If you have any questions, feel free to call me at 423-BUY-LAND or go to my website, 423byland.com. Thank you. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Paul Kacheroff at 423byland.com. Right now I'm standing at the Lake Livingston Village boat ramp area. Behind me, you'll see the open water. Right out into the open water is a famous island called Pine Island. It's right around the corner. It's one of the biggest hot spots on 4th of July. You'll see all the boaters out there. This boat ramp is perfectly placed so that you can get a boat right around the corner and you're at the island. How cool is that? Notice the beautiful boat behind me and the properties all around. This is a very pristine, beautiful environment here. And this boat ramp area is privileged to all lot owners. You can buy a lot from us. You can bring your family here. You got picnic tables. You can have a great time, be safe. Thank you. Take care. Right now I'm walking with my beautiful compatriot, my lifelong, don't hide from the camera. Don't hide. Hey, yeah. Anyway, Yolette and I are here at section 14. She's somewhere here. Here, let me see. Come on, Yolette. They all want to see you. Anyway, she is actually, she's everything here. So we have a little demonstration today, a little video to upload. All right, well, anyway, right now she's waiting for the makeup crew, and she's the main star of all our videos, naturally. But anyway, stay tuned.